Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So today's video I am going to be sharing with you how I got my hair from extremely knotty and frizzy to now smooth, sleek, easy to brush hair. So honestly, before I used to spend hours, not hours, that's an exaggeration, I used to spend at least about half an hour brushing my hair because my hair honestly used to get so knotty. It was out of control. I used to go into work and have to get the girls to brush the knots out of my hair. It was so bad. But now I have got a routine on lock. My hair is so smooth. It's in such good condition. It's honestly, I can't stop feeling it because it's so soft. So if you want to see how to get really soft, smooth hair, and if you struggle with knots, then please keep watching. It's going to change your life, your hair life. So please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit that bell to receive a notification when I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Make sure you follow my Instagram, and without further ado, let's get on and I'll show you how I get amazing hair. So for shampoo, I use the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Length Restoring Shampoo. It's got keratin, vitamins, castor oil, and it's for long damaged hair. Now this smells incredible and it works absolutely amazing on my hair. And then if you haven't got time to use a hair mask, then just go ahead and use a conditioner. You can use the Rapid Reviver, and this you don't need to leave on your hair like other conditioners. It just works immediately. So these two together honestly make my hair so soft and smooth, and everyone I know that has used these absolutely love them. But I'm going to go ahead and put a hair mask on my hair for now. So this is the L'Oreal Elvive Dream Length hair mask, and it repairs hair. Again, it's for long and damaged hair. I literally have about one use left, which is so sad. I need to get some more. But let's go ahead and put this on my hair. So this is my hair before we're going to have a shower. It's horrible, greasy, knotty, but we're going to fix it. So got me hair. Going to take the hair mask and I just take a scoop. I've got like very long hair, and I'm literally just gonna brush this into my hair. So I focus this on the bottoms and the ends of my hair because I get extremely greasy hair really quickly. So I'm not going to be putting it anywhere near my roots. I'm just focusing it on the ends, and it is on dry hair. I mean, if you have time to sit in the bath or stand in the shower and have this on, you absolutely can. I don't have time, so I just find that if I have other things to do, I will just whack this on when I know I need to obviously have a shower and wash my hair. So I put this in first, and I'm going to leave this on and do some bits, and then I'm going to have a shower and wash my hair. So you're going to see me back with wet hair, and then we'll go from there. So next up, I'm going to apply some serum in my hair. This is the Umberto Giannini Miracle Worker Smooth Serum, and I've tried so many, and I can honestly say this is just absolutely amazing. Makes my hair so soft and smooth. If you want to see a video on like a battle of the serums, let me know, but this I've tried so many, and this one is absolutely amazing. Hey guys, so I've just got out the shower. I have done my makeup, so my hair has dried down quite a little bit, but I haven't brushed it yet because I did just want to show you the difference in the brushes. So I am going to apply my smoothing serum first, like I always do, otherwise no brush is going to go through. So like I mentioned earlier, this is the Umberto Giannini Miracle Worker Serum, and it says apply 4 to 8 pumps depending on hair length to damp hair before styling to add shine, defrizz and tame. So I don't know how many I use. 1, 2, 3. I think I use about 3 because, like I said earlier, my hair gets extremely greasy and the pumps are really generous, so I wouldn't say you need 8 hair, and I've got quite long hair. The texture is kind of medium to thick, so I mean if you've got thicker hair you could use more, but I just apply that with my fingers and run it through and get hair everywhere. And this smells amazing as well. I get mine from Boots. Why am I smelling the bottle? Okay, so I normally have a side parting. It's messy at the moment, but I will fix it up in a minute. So I have got my Knot Doctor. So you can use the Knot Doctor on wet or dry hair, which is amazing, and you will get no damage when using the wet brush as well. This is just a cheap brush from the high street, and it doesn't even go, oh my god, look, this is with force, and I kid you not, it will not go through my hair. They're just no good, and obviously there is a huge knot, like my hair gets knotty, but the Knot Doctor, okay, you see, like obviously it's still, and you should brush from the bottom, but I was just showing you that the high street brush couldn't even get through where this one did. So I'm just gonna brush all my knots out, and just a tip, you should start from the bottom rather than at the top. But see, okay, that is it, my hair is brushed and smooth, when honestly before it used to take me so long. So now we're gonna apply some heat protection, so you can use whichever one you like. I have a few and I really like the TRESemmé one. So this is the TRESemmé Care and Protect UV Filter Heat Defense Styling Spray. So just make sure you spray this all over your hair, get it really distributed well. So now that my hair is a nice, oh, I didn't show you, I was going to show you it when I was out of the shower, I'm so sorry, but my hair is nice and brushed. I'm going to apply my heat protection because I am going to finish blow drying it, and I am going to straighten it. So just going to spray and make sure you get underneath. You can be more thorough. I'm not, and I probably should be. I'm just going to brush that all in, and I'm just gonna go off camera and blow dry and straighten my hair, and then I'll come back and talk to you about a couple of things. So I'll see you in a bit. From dry wet hair to straight. Oh yeah, this is just a close-up of it wet, but even that does feel really smooth. But yeah, let's go dry it. And then it's time for my absolute favourite. This is the Pro Bright, the Hybrid Detangler by the Knot Doctor. It comes in a really lovely box when you order it. It comes in different colours. Obviously I got pink because pink's my favourite colour. Top of the brush. And then on the back, again, I've tried so many brushes, and this one is just absolutely amazing. Has a scientifically proven formula that ensures the hair remains healthy and free from breakage. So the cushion is made from extremely durable thermoplastic rubber for extra durability and a pleasant detangling experience. So the bristles are bristles with memory. So they lightly flex to minimise breakage and add that professional salon feel. Hey guys, why is this door like ruining my life? I'm so sorry, you're gonna have to deal with a door handle. But yeah, I have just I haven't even turned my straighteners on. I've just blow dried my hair and now I'm gonna straighten it, and I thought I would have a little chat to you guys while I am straightening my hair. The Knot Doctor comes in an array of different colours and styles. You can use it on any hair type. It's got a lovely rubber rubber handle, which is really nice and strong. So if you have got oils in your hair, sometimes the brushes can kind of slip out, especially like smaller handheld ones. But this has a really decent grip on it. So I'm just using GHDs. They're about 100 years old. Don't mind the steam. See, they're so broken. I always find that when I've just dried my hair and then I go to straighten it straight away, it does tend to steam a little, but that's okay. So the actual hairbrush is actually made from recyclable materials, which I think is amazing. And it was actually created by a dad he had 4 or 5 girls, and he wanted a brush that was just easy to use for detangling. And honestly, my hair is so knotty, and it's taken such a long time to actually find a brush that I can just literally quickly brush my hair like a normal person. I actually love this brush, and I really hope that you guys will give it a try, because it is the best brush that I own. So I'm going to quickly for you just speed up my straightening process. Oh yeah, I split my hair into 3 sections when I straighten it, just to make sure that I know I'm getting every single piece of hair. Once I have thread on my hair, I just put it to the front and just give it a brush and make sure it is all straight. I am happy with that. And I like a little bit of a volume in my hair, but it's just been washed, so I'm just gonna take the top layer. I normally use a teasing brush, but multi-use, and that's just giving that a little bit of lift there. And just the seam on this side, I'm just taking my Knot Doctor and back combing just by the roots, and then on this side I do more than one section because I've got more hair. Beautiful. And I'm not gonna hairspray or anything because hairspray makes my hair quite greasy, so just make sure I am happy with that. But this is my hair routine. Just gonna brush that down a little. My hair, I'm so sorry about this disgusting shadow, by the way. I'll just show you it from the back. This is my hair, so soft and silky, and I am like in love with my routine. I finally found a brush that I can just like brush my hair in 30 seconds and be done with it. So that was my, I don't even know what I'm going to call this, my hair care routine, or how I get really soft shiny hair from extremely knotty frizzy hair. So I really hope that some of these tips have helped you. I really recommend the brush. Honestly, it has been such a game changer for me. Such an amazing brush, so please go and get it. It's not sponsored or anything, by the way. I just genuinely love it. So I really hope that you enjoyed, and I really hope that this will help you out get your hair nice and soft and silky. I have just done a get ready with me on this makeup look here. I haven't done a makeup look in ages, so it would mean the world to me if you would go and have a little look at that. I'll have it linked down below and at the end as well. So thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye!